This guy likes to brake. Ooh, some kind of crosswind of sorts. I have a question for you guys out there in internet land, YouTube land, real land, Earth. What's your favorite type of riding time of day? Let me rephrase that. What is your favorite time to ride during the day? Maybe I'll try again. What is your favorite time of day to ride? There you go. That sounds like a sentence. What is your favorite time of day to ride? For me, it totally depends. But I know I have a family member. He has a hard time seeing sunsets. I mean, he can sit and watch a sunset, but it gives him vertigo or something, like when he's driving. So it's not a good time of day for him to ride. But if I got a nice visor and I got good visibility, I kind of like riding at sunset time, like late afternoon, sunset time. That's my time to ride. But anytime the weather's good, baby, I mean, really. Like, and it's a cop-out answer, but if I was going to choose a specific time of day, they're like, you choose now. I'd be like, sunset. That's my time. So when's your guys' time? When is your favorite time of day to ride? Morning? Afternoon? Late afternoon? Sunrise, sunset? Nighttime? Late nighttime? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments section below. Let me know in the comments section below your favorite time of day or night to ride. I'm curious. All right. Thanks, everybody. Till next time, YBG out.